really see the best in people in a situation like this, like Baltimore County teens, for example. They're making a huge difference, fulfilling hundreds of requests for face masks from first responders. But that demand has skyrocketed, and they can't keep up with it just on their own. WMER2's Abby Isaacs explains how you can help out.
It's basically a full-time job for these teens, making lots of face masks like this one. But since Governor Larry Hogan's executive order requiring they be worn in all retail establishments, they've gotten a lot more requests. So they're looking for sewers of all experience levels to help them out. It's not how these Baltimore County teenagers imagined they'd be spending their time.
So this is elastic.
Filled with elastic, thread, and sewing machines.
And then this one's a tie mask.
But they're happy to be making a difference.
We kind of just found a pattern online, cut it out, and tried different ways.
Cousins Alyssa Edwards and Kristin Logue started making masks with their families 3 weeks ago. They've gotten it down to a science, now turning out 200 a day.
I feel like each week come up with a different idea of how to sew a mask.
To make it easier and just produce as many as possible.
So we're still learning as we sew. Yeah.
They turned to the national Masks Now coalition to help them get them to people that need them. So far, they've sent more than 800 to essential workers, like healthcare providers, first responders, and fast food workers who requested them through the coalition.
When we sent it to a respiratory therapist, they took pictures in their masks and sent them to us. So it's just good to see that we're making a difference.
Among the other recipients, Johns Hopkins and the Baltimore County Police Department, close to their hearts. Alyssa's father's a police officer there.
That made me feel really, really good because when I dropped off the masks, they were all people that have known my dad for a really long time.
Even with the long hours, they still have 4,000 requests that need to be filled, and the demand is growing every day.
Between the two of us and our families, we're just not enough to make that much as quickly as they need it.
As the state leads for the coalition, they're looking for more volunteers to help fulfill those essential worker and now personal requests too.
One person can't make such a huge difference by themselves. So to get as many people as possible would be ideal so that we can make that difference and we can keep people safe and healthy through this pandemic.
Hogan's executive order requiring face masks inside all retail establishments starts on Saturday. We have links for how to sign up to volunteer or request a face mask on our website. For WMAR2 News, I'm Abby Isaacs.